Welcome everyone. We're here today to give a basic tutorial of the new Jurassic World Alive Expedition Drone. So let's get started. Expedition Drone is a brand new way to collect DNA in Jurassic World Alive. To start, you will need to set up your Expedition Drone. Enter via the map screen clicking on the creature tracker icon on the left bottom corner of the map. Click on the Eye Information button to see the in-game instructions for Expedition Drone. Expedition Drone is available for players level 4 and above. It is an entirely passive experience. This means Expedition Drone flights do not impact regular drone gameplay. You can hunt as you normally would. At launch, players will be able to drone all map-based common, rare, epic, and omega dinosaurs, excluding short-range creatures. Each rarity has a different maximum DNA that can be collected as well as cost in coins as seen here. You can load up your drone with up to 20 darts, and it is guaranteed to return with DNA of this creature. The amount of time Expedition Drone takes to return is determined by the creature's rarity and the amount of darts you have selected. The less darts you select, costs less in coins and decreases the flight time of the Expedition Drone, but you receive less maximum DNA possible. Be aware the amount of DNA returned per Expedition Drone flight is not the same each time. It can be up to the maximum DNA but varies each time, as you can see here with our 93 Classic T. Rex. We here at IDGT902 YouTube will be analyzing initial Expedition Drone flights so we can see if there is any pattern of best options. Stay tuned for more information on this as soon as possible. You collect your DNA by returning to the Expedition Drone menu when your Expedition Drone has returned. You can speed up your drone by using HC. One drone slot will be available to all players at launch, and Season Pass holders will get a second slot, where they can launch 2 different Expedition Drones at once. Be aware though, players will not be able to send 2 drones for the same creature simultaneously. Also note that VIP subscribers get a 20% bonus on DNA collected per dart sent. Thank you for watching our Jurassic World Alive Expedition Drone tutorial. Stay tuned for all your JWA news, guides, gameplay, and analysis right here at IDGT902 YouTube. And definitely look for more strategy and battle videos here, coming very soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Good luck and happy hunting, everyone.